Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to explore the present perfect tense in a simple and natural way. Let's begin with a question. Have you ever tried something new? Maybe you have visited a new country. Maybe you have learned a new skill. Maybe you have watched a great movie recently. If you can say yes to any of these, then you are already using the present perfect. So, what is the present perfect? We use it to talk about past experiences, recent actions, and situations that connect the past to the present. It is not just about the past. It is about how the past is important now. Let's look at the structure. We use subject plus have or has plus past participle. For example, I have visited Paris. She has finished her work. They have seen that film. Do not worry too much about the term past participle. Just think of it as the third form of the verb. For regular verbs, it usually ends in ed. Work becomes worked. Play becomes played. But for irregular verbs, it is different. Go becomes gone. Eat becomes eaten. See becomes seen. Now let's explore how we use this tense in real life. First, for life experiences. We often use the present perfect to talk about things we have done in our lives. For example, I have traveled to many places. She has met interesting people. We have tried different foods. Notice something important. We do not say when. We are not talking about a specific time. We are talking about the experience in general. Second, we use it for recent actions. For example, I have just finished my work. She has already left. They have just arrived. These actions happened very recently, and they are important now. Third, we use it for unfinished situations. For example, I have lived here for 5 years. She has worked in this company since 2020. This means the situation started in the past and is still true now. Now let's compare it with the past simple. Past simple. I visited London last year. Present perfect. I have visited London. What is the difference? The past simple tells us when. The present perfect does not. The present perfect focuses on the result or the experience, not the time. Now let's look at negative sentences. We simply add not. I have not finished. She has not called. They have not seen it. You can also use short forms. I have not becomes I haven't. She has not becomes she hasn't. Now, questions. We change the order. Have you finished? Has she called you? Have they arrived? These questions are very common in everyday conversation. Let's try a small situation. You meet a friend. You ask, have you eaten? If they say, yes, I have eaten, it means the action is complete, and it is important now. So here is a simple way to remember. The present perfect connects the past and the present. It answers the question, what has happened, and why is it important now? Before we finish, try this. Think about your life. What have you done recently? Maybe. I have learned something new. I have watched a good film. I have spoken English today. If you can say these sentences, you are already using the present perfect. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next episode.